Hello all, in this video we are going to view Integrator Menu. The Integrator menu is a hidden menu. To activate it, go to the Application Settings from the Settings section of the touch panel. Tap 4 times to App Version and enter Integrator Password in pop-up window. Default Integrator password is 1234. The functions in the Integrator menu. Ethernet 0 Ethernet interface can be configured as static IP. Siren of the touch panel can be activated in case of sensor violations. Horizontal or vertical operation of the touch panel can be selected. The touch panel can be restarted. The touch panel can be reset to factory settings. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.